Your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to show you the advisories we have. Most of these are centered here in the Great Lakes, and for us, this would be a wind advisory, which we'll probably see that lifted here shortly. But north of the area where we've got some snow and wind, believe it or not, we have blizzard warnings up here in the UP of Michigan and the far northern portion of Wisconsin. So big-time winter storm up there to the north of this area. The wind around here has been a factor. 48-mile-per-hour wind gust over in Mattoon, 47 in Champaign, 44 over in Bloomington, 43 up here in Crawfordsville, so 41 in Terre Haute. Most areas over 40 miles per hour today. 53 is misleading for the high that happened a little after midnight. Most of the day it's been a lot colder than that. 38 has been our low so far. It'll be colder than that later tonight. Most of our rain happened after midnight, but when the front came through, it did spark a couple very light showers. We picked up 1/100, so we're up to 2.28 here so far for the month. And the Wabash River in Terre Haute just over 4 feet, and it is stationary. The Stents Realty Team water tower forecast. We take you over to Brazil. Partly cloudy skies. Night temperature drops down to about 26, so it'll be a cold night tonight. Temperatures out there right now pretty much in the upper 30s, but the wind chills are in the lower 30s because we still have that breeze. So it's 39 in Terre Haute, but it feels like 30 because of the wind coming in from the west-northwest. So it's going to be a chilly night tonight, no doubt about that. There's the storm up here to the north in the Great Lakes, and on the back side of it where it's cold, we've got the snow and the wind across the western Great Lakes and still some snow showers north of the area way up here. We had a few snow flurries. That's it. Nothing else expected tonight, so we're looking good. Nothing to show you on the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar. So if you're going out tonight or tomorrow or Friday, you're in good shape. Weekend, a little different on Saturday. We'll talk about that. The wind right now, northwest, still breezy. During the day tomorrow for Thanksgiving, these northwest winds not as strong, but still in the 10 to 15, maybe 20 mile per hour range. So it's still going to be breezy tomorrow. Friday, less wind if you're going to be out on Friday. Now we're talking 5 to 10, so there won't be as much wind as we had to Friday, but both days the wind looks to be from the northwest. So let's talk about what happens after that. So tonight's fine. If you're going to be out, you're fine. Tomorrow, no travel problems across the area. Not as windy, but still breezy. No travel problems during the day Friday with some sunshine, although clouds will come in late in the day. So the next 2 days are fine, but we've been talking about the system for the weekend, and so what it looks like is going to happen, it wouldn't get here till Saturday mid-morning, late morning or so. Here we are getting into 8:30. We have some snow north of Interstate 74 and west of the area. So for us, probably not until mid to late morning at the earliest, but it starts to move in during the afternoon. A little bit of a mix down near the St. Louis area. Right now, it looks like it will start out as some snow. Probably Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, then transition over to a bit of some rain after that. So here we are. This is Saturday night, but then notice as it gets a little warmer, we may go into a little bit of a rain, cold rain during the overnight hours, and then ending on Sunday by mid-morning. So the time period we'll have to watch will be Saturday, and there could be some impactful weather, some snow, probably changes to rain. Too early to say how much. Right now it doesn't look like a huge amount, but there could be some accumulating snow on Saturday, so we'll keep an eye on that. Then after that, we're just talking about some cold weather as we take you into Sunday and also into Monday. By the way, that pattern's going to stay cold weather December 4 to 10. Look at this. Below normal temperatures in this part of the country. Forecast for tonight then goes like this. We'll be fine. 26, still kind of breezy out there, but not as windy. During the day tomorrow for Thanksgiving, looks fine. Daytime high of 38. After that, cold on Friday, but you're fine to travel. We got to watch Saturday into early Sunday. Cold on Monday. We do get back to 39 as we head to next Wednesday. Time for sports.
Hey, thanks, Jesse. That is bad.